Children, here we have to find out here we have to find out sin C, question number 2 cos C, question number 3 tan C. Okay children, we have to find all the three. So children, see here. First of all, to find out all the three sides, so with respect to C we have to find out sin value, with respect to C we have to find out cos value, with respect to C we have to find out tan value. So for finding all the three sides value is required. But here in the given right angle triangle, value of only two sides are given. So third one we can find out. Since it is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras. So see children, according to, otherwise I am writing, in triangle ACB or ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, what can I write? Hypotenuse side square is equal to AB square plus BC square. How can you say children? By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem we can say that hypotenuse side square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square, children. Okay children. Now, so AC value how much children? 13 centimeter whole square is equal to 13 centimeter whole square is equal to AB, don't know, plus 5 centimeter whole square children. 13 whole square 169, AB whole square plus 5 whole square 25 square centimeter. So AB square is equal to how much children? 169 square centimeter minus 25 square centimeter. So AB square is equal to 169 minus 24, 144 square centimeter. Apply root on both the sides because it's AB square and we need the value of AB. We need the value of AB, so apply square root on both the sides. Is equal to root under 144 square centimeter. So root square cancel. AB is equal to 144 square root 12 centimeter square 2 centimeter. That is how much we got? 12 centimeter. Now AB we have got 12 centimeter children. Simply I am going to rub it and going to find out the answers of asked question. Question number 1. What the question is? Sin C. With respect to what is the formula of sin theta children? Sin theta formula is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite here with respect to C, AB, upon hypotenuse AC, and that is equal to opposite how much? 12 centimeter upon hypotenuse 13 centimeter. Centimeter cancel. 12 upon 13. Because it is in trigonometric ratios, it does not have any unit children. Okay. Second bit. Cos C formula children, OA, that is adjacent, upon HH, that is hypotenuse, is equal to adjacent. For this adjacent is this one, BC upon hypotenuse AC. BC is 5 centimeter upon AC is 13 centimeter. Centimeter cancel. 5 upon 13. And children, next third weight. Tan C. So tan C can be found out on two way. Tan C is equal to sin C upon cos C. Sin C is a 12 by 13. That is 12 by 13. Divide by 5 by 13. 5 by 13. First into last. 12 into 13. Second into third. 13 into 5. 13 cancel. How much children directly we can find out? 12 by 5. Otherwise, tan C, O means opposite. Upon HA. adjacent. Opposite is AB. Adjacent is BC. AB is 12 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. Centimeter cancel. 12 upon 5 children. This is question number 2 children. In this figure, we have to identify the sides with reference to angle x. This is the angle x. It is also 90 degree children, right angle triangle. This angle is 90. It is clear, 90 degree. This is the required acute angle. With respect to angle x, this is opposite. With respect to angle opposite is yz. Hypotenuse side is equal to this is 90, so opposite side is hypotenuse, that is xy. Adjacent side with respect to x, what I told children, anyhow this is a opposite, this is a hypotenuse, so it's an adjacent. One more thing I told, our required acute angle and 90, in between these two, required acute angle and 90, that is this is an adjacent, that is xz. And one more bit is there with respect to angle y. With respect to angle y, opposite is this. Opposite side is equal to xz. Hypotenuse will be same. Hypotenuse side is equal to longest opposite to 90, that is xy. It will not change. And adjacent angle between 90 and required acute, that is yz. Okay children? Children, next question is question number 2. It is of also do this type of problem. In a triangle XYZ, angle y is equal to 90. So let me draw this. In this triangle XYZ, first angle y is equal to 90. I may put x here or x here, that is not matter. Okay children? In a triangle XYZ, angle y is equal to 90 degree. XZ is equal to 17 centimeter. XZ is equal to 17 centimeter. YZ is equal to 15 centimeter. And find sin x, cos z and tan x children. So very simple children, again like previous question, to find the trigonometry ratios, this one, we need all the three sides. Only two sides are given. So we can write here in triangle XYZ, angle y is equal to 90 degree. When one of the angle is 90, according to Pythagoras theorem, what we can write children? Xz square is equal to yz square plus xy square. Xz how much children? 17 centimeter. Whole square of that is equal to yz 15 centimeter. Whole square plus xy square children. 17 square is nothing but 289. I remember this is equal to 15 is also 225 square centimeter plus xy square children. Okay children, so now we have to find out this one. Take it one side. Xy square is equal to 289 square centimeter. This goes that side, becomes minus 225 square centimeter. So xy square is equal to 289. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 2, 64 square centimeter. To find the value of xy, apply square root on both the side children. Okay children? So xy is equal to 64 is the square of 8. So 8 centimeter. We got 8 centimeter. Means this side is also known, that is 8 centimeter. Once this side is known children, now it is damn easy. I hope you can do. Even though I am solving here just in a short explanation. First is a sin x. So children, sin x formula O, AO upon HA, opposite upon hypotenuse. With respect to x, opposite is a YZ, upon hypotenuse is a XZ. YZ how much? 15 centimeter. XZ how much? 17 centimeter. Opposite. So centimeter cancel. 15 upon 17 children. Number 2 bit. Cos Z. Cos formula cos theta OA upon HH, hypotenuse, adjacent. With respect to Z children, Z, this is opposite, this is adjacent, that is YZ. Don't get confused here. Clear our concept. With respect to Z, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to adjacent 15 centimeter, hypotenuse 17 centimeter, that is 15 upon 17 children. Okay children, question number 3. What is that? Tan x. With respect to x, whatever may be, tan theta is equal to OAO, that is opposite, upon HHA, that is adjacent. Okay, opposite with respect to x, YZ. Adjacent, XY. Children, I have told that in 2 ways you can find out. Either tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, or tan theta is equal to sin theta by, but it's a x, it is z. So don't do that one, because here theta is different. So it's better to do directly only. YZ 15 centimeter upon XY 8 centimeter. Cancel 15 upon 8. Okay children. Hi children. See the question number 4. It says that in a right angle triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. So there is a right angle triangle ABC in which angle C 90, that is, this is angle C. So remaining either write this A or this A, that is not the matter. Okay children, what is given? BC plus CA value given, BC minus CA given. Here sides are not given. It is given in the form of equation. So first of all we should find the sides. So what is given children? Given is in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree and BC plus CA is equal to 23 and BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeter. With this help children, with the help of these two, we should solve that question. So see children, if you add them, BC and BC becomes 2BC plus CA minus CA will be cancelled. So BC is equal to something, we can get it. So it's looking to very simple. Just you have to add the equation. So add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2 children. So what is the 1? BC plus CA is equal to 23 and BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeter children. Okay children, it's very simple. See why you are adding, just in one step you are going to get the answer. If you add here BC plus BC, 2BC, CA minus CA cancel, is equal to 23 plus 7, 30 centimeter. 2BC is equal to 30 centimeter. So BC is equal to 30 by 2, 15 centimeter. We got the value of BC, that is 15 centimeter. 1 we have got children. Now we have to get other value also. See here, equation 1, BC plus CA is equal to 23. If in place of BC we are putting the value 15, we can get the value of CA. Is it not? In the place of BC, if you are putting this value, we can get the value of CA. So substitute BC value. Substitute BC value in equation 1 children. So when you substitute BC value in 1, what was that? BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeter. In place of BC how much children? 15 centimeter plus CA is equal to 23 centimeter. meter. So CA is equal to 23 centimeter. This goes that side and becomes minus. So children, CA is equal to how much? 23 minus 15, 8 centimeter children. So we got CA is equal to 8 centimeter. It's very simple children. We have got the two sides. Third side also we can find. How can you find third side? Yes children, by using Pythagoras theorem. So this was an extra step which we have to do. After that, same process children. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem children. What is according to Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse side is equal to this AC square plus BC square. Hypotenuse side we don't know. AC value is 8 centimeter square plus BC value 15 centimeter square. AB square is equal to 64 centimeter plus 225 square centimeter children. So AB square is equal to 4 plus 5, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, 289 square centimeter. To get the value of AB, find the square root. 289 square centimeter. Square cancel. AB is equal to 289 is the square root of what? 17 centimeter. This value we got children 17 centimeter. If you have not written, you can copy this children. You can pause and copy. After that, just like previous questions, it is also easy. How to find children? What to find? Sin A. Sin A is equal to what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite with respect to A. BC upon hypotenuse AB. BC how much children? 17 centimeter. AB how much? 15 centimeter. That is 17 upon 15. So since it's the ratio, it will not be having any unit children. Tan B. Be careful here. Tan formula OAO. That is opposite upon HHA. That is adjacent. Opposite with respect to B. With respect to B, opposite is AC upon adjacent is BC. That is 8 centimeter upon 15 centimeter. Centimeter cancel. Left is 8 upon 15.